Walsall tenants, if you're seeking a 2-bedroom midtown house in the south of Walsall to rent, we've found the ideal property for you, I think. This is on the Tame estate, another popular estate with all the renters. Tame Parkway train station is a 5-7 minute walk this way. You've got the A34 and the M6 junction 7 that way. And you just had a brief look around. That over there is Pimpernel Drive. Off that goes Woodruff Way. And Woodruff Way is basically where the bus route is that takes you into Walsall and West Bromwich town centres. So we'll do a walkthrough video tour now and show you inside. If you follow me, please. Thank you. Okay, so you've got a storm porch entrance and an entrance lobby. The meters are in this cupboard over here. You walk into the main lounge area. Okay, so the lounge is of a really good size. It's a lounge and the kitchen diner. You've got a feature fireplace over here. You've got heaters by the window over there. The property has been freshly decorated, painted from top to bottom basically, and you've got, except for the lounge, which the flooring is fine, you've got new flooring everywhere else throughout the house as well. Okay, you've got points there in that corner where the camera's just been. You've got the aerial points. That's the Sky cable, I believe, the black cable there. The Virgin Media's here as well, it looks like, and you've got a BT point as well. So plenty of sockets you see all around, and we'll go into the kitchen diner. So if the camera wants to come along, got space here for a dining table, a small one for a small family, and then you've got plenty of kitchen unit space and wall units. You've got space there for a cooker, which you could put either actually. So you've got this socket for electric, or you've got a point there, I believe, for the gas. There looks like there's a point there for the gas as well. So you've got a choice of what type of cooker you want. Under there would be your washing machine. And the fridge freezer, I guess you put in that corner. So that limits then, yeah, you put the fridge freezer over there. Okay, so out into the garden, really good sized garden. So low maintenance, there's no grass, just all the way down, a bit of weeding to be done now and then. And you've got a shed here as well for some storage. Okay, we'll take you upstairs. Okay, so open plan lounge gives with the stairs going off. As I said earlier in the video, you've got new carpets upstairs. So we go into the main bedroom here. There's 2 double bedrooms in this property. So this one's one facing the back garden. This one's got a little storage room here. Okay. And there's a TV aerial point over there in that corner as well. Sockets on a couple of walls, this one and that one there. That's it. So if you want to follow me into, this is the bathroom. Okay, so bathrooms, again, you've got new flooring, painted, decorated, electric shower, your wash and basin. This is storing the hot water cylinder. And there's obviously, it's an airing cupboard, so you can put your towels and stuff in there as well. Okay, and then through here we've got the second bedroom, which is facing the front of the property. So it's got the heater, sockets here, sockets over there. Okay, I think we'll end the video tour over here. If you like what you see, get in touch. All the links will be in the description. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, where you'll find more and similar videos. As and when we do property video tours, we'll put them onto our YouTube video channel. Do subscribe, press that bell icon, and you'll be notified as soon as something becomes available. Otherwise, we hope you enjoyed this video tour, and all being well, we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.